Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Mike here from Team Hero Adventures. Today we'll be making some boiled cassava and fried back. So boiled and fried, but we're not doing the complete thing with dough for you can call it dumpling, but today we're just doing cassava and some sweet potato. I also have some Guyana catfish. We have some family came from Guyana, bring some Guyana catfish, so you can make the catfish with some green mango here. So I also have some egg on the stove boiling. We can put the egg, because anytime we cook, we'll always put egg inside the fish curry. And I just put some rice on here, and the egg is boiling. So once I get the cassava boiled, then we can get to that and we'll show you guys how we fry it back and things like that. Alright, stay tuned. Alright guys, so we're making a masala for the catfish, right? So here's the masala there. And this is the Guyana catfish. The previous catfish I did before was Florida catfish. So this one is Guyana catfish. I'm not frying this one. I'm cooking it curry just like this. I'm not frying this one. Florida one, I fry the Florida one. Masala. That's jeera. Turmeric. This is the grind seasoning. Alright, so we add some water into this. And mix it up. Alright, so the oil is already hot, so I'm going to drop it into the oil. We just give it, stir this up a little. Alright, so we let this bunge down, let the water dry out, and then we add the fish in and the mango. Over here we have the cassava boiling. So we will take this off in a few minutes because it already gets soft. Fry this. We will take this off in the next 10 minutes or so. Again, also over here I have some bell and a half bell pepper cut up here with one onion. So I add some of this in the fish curry, I add some in the cassava when I fry it back. And that's the egg we got put in the fish curry also. Alright guys, so here's the masala. You add the bell pepper and the onion. It's bunge now, so I add the fish in now. And you can also fry it if you want, but this one I'm not frying this one. The last one I cooked the previous video, I fried that one. That was Florida catfish. This is Guyana catfish. I also have one pepper here. Habanero pepper, I cut like maybe half of it, so maybe the whole thing. Yeah, we like it spicy. Also we got the mango inside. Add a little salt. Pink Himalayan salt. And we give it a turn. Alright guys, so we will let this bunge a little and then we can add in some water into it. So we leave that like bunge for like about 15 minutes or so. And then we add some water, the hot water, and then we can put the egg in after. Alright? Alright guys, so this is the cassava. I boiled it for like 20 minutes or so. And it's it's not too soft, it's nice and tender. So we go fry this now. So I have the onion, the bell pepper. So I go drop this into the oil now. I already put some inside here. And so we let it fry for about 10 minutes and then we will drop it to cassava. So you can do the same thing with arrows. A lot of people comment saying I eat arrow with diabetic. But you can do the same thing. If you want to eat the arrow or the cassavas, peel it in the afternoon, soak it overnight, change the water in the morning and change it back lunch and then you cook it in the afternoon. you will see all the starch, gluey stuff will come from the air. And you can see it there, you wouldn't rise your glucose. If you peel it and cook it right away, then it's no good. You can make your blood sugar sky high. So if you want to eat it, do it that way. Soak it overnight and keep changing the water. Alright guys, so this is the cassava. Put the cassava in the onion and the bell pepper. I'm going to put a little adobo. Season it a little. Some black pepper. Some garlic powder. Some cayenne pepper. When I boil it, I put salt in the water, so I'm not putting too much of salt, just a little, layer salt. And also I have 3 tablespoons of butter, and this is plant-based. This is it, plant-based butter. The butter gives it a nice, tasty flavor. Alright, so we just turn it up. Alright, so the butter is melting, you can see it's already melted out already. I can put some scallion shallot. Cassava will fry for like 10 minutes there, and then we can take it off, it's finished. Alright guys, so I just add the water inside now, the fish curry. I'll give it a stir. So I add a little tomato paste, like about a teaspoon. The curry is boiling here now. So now you taste the salt. Yeah. Need some more salt. Okay, the salt is good now, so we let this cook down. Right down once the mango cook, everything cook in the next 25 minutes. So we add the egg in to put in the fish curry. To add it in the next 10 minutes, 15 minutes when this is already halfway cooked. Alright, so this is good. This is finished. Cassava is finished. Alright guys, so this is the cassava is finished. This is done. So the curry is on, that will finish in the next 20 minutes, 25 minutes. We have a couple pieces of sweet potato here, so I will just fry this up with a little onion, garlic and pepper, because everybody don't eat this. We can put the egg in. Alright guys, so we have 2 sweet potatoes here because we didn't make a lot, so everybody don't eat it. So I'm just frying it here with a little salt, pepper, some garlic powder, not so much. Usually we add a little breadfruit too sometimes, but today we didn't know breadfruit. We usually boil and fry with the breadfruit, boil and fry breadfruit. And I use the car because this one I already messed, I don't want to mess the next one. So I just use the same one. And you can cut fresh onion if you want, but I put garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper, cayenne pepper and salt. I'm going to put a little scallion shallot. Once it starts to get brown, you can take it out. Also you could boil it and mash it and make it like mashed potatoes. There you go, this is done. This is finished. That's a pretty sweet potato, that's finished. Alright guys, so the fish curry is finished. This is the fish. This is the mango. It's soft. So this is finished. The catfish curry is finished. The Guyana catfish curry is finished. Alright, we have the rice over here. We have the cassava here. And this is the sweet potato we made, the 2 sweet potato. Alright guys, so that's it for the fish curry. Guys, give us a comment, like, share, subscribe. Bye, see you in the next one.